All right, fellas, round 2.
You better get a good one. Now I can buy now I can get another video game.
Let's see if you picked the wrong box, Billy Wayne.
Yeah, you could. What if you picked the wrong box, Billy?
What we're gonna do in here? You want that? Put them in that. Let me keep them little boxes so I can put them cards in. I need the little box. You take the big one.
If we get rid of
What's it,
these,
number 2? 49?
99.
Cool. He's popular around here, Kamara. That Fournette.
Little Fournette patch.
All right. Ooh, what's it numbered?
10. 5 of 10.
5 of 10. Helmet decal of Watson. That's pretty good. Ooh, Anna Marino auto. I've been on one of these last night. Anna Marino auto.
is that a good one?
Yeah, that's pretty good. He got a
It's
Watson.
not bad. Let's see.
Billy, you might have picked the wrong box, buddy.
Looks like you picked the wrong box there.
Cool. Look at that Perrine.
That patch is nasty.
But at least we got a good box. I guess
Yeah, he
we
got
get
the-
another video game.
He's got a redemption too.
Who's redemption and stuff?
I don't know, man. Rookie auto 109.
Brian Hill?
Don't know who that is. Do you?
No, I don't.
Perrine. He got a
Oh,
Marino.
damn
Oh,
Marino.
that.
I don't know. That's pretty nasty. Huh?
I know that card's good.
Stop. You know better than that.
That's from
You
Brooks.
know better than that.
Sissy goes to school at Brooks.
Oh, does she?
Yeah,
Goes
she
the
don't-
same.
She don't
Brooks
go
High
to
School.
Alabama.
Really?
Brooks High School. That.
So where Brooks played? Is that? Oh, you're talking about that his high
Brooks
school?
High School. That's the name of the high school.
I did not know that.
No. Where my wife and my daughter went to Brooks and Killing.
Wow.
Has nothing to do with Brooks.
Yeah, you're talking about. That's the name of the school that
is
they
Brooks,
went
yeah,
to.
the
I
Brooks
follow.
Lions.
Yeah.
He thought that was the Brooks Lions because that's the same color they wear and everything.
NT's up next, guys. Hey, if y'all need any help, just let me know. What's up, Billy?
How you got those two?
Go
Which
ahead.
2, buddy?
Billy.
I think my little boy's toy chest, actually, they didn't want them anymore. I'm pretty sure. I got twins. I probably bought them for like, hundreds and hundreds and sell them for like 20. Smart business. Right, Billy?
I was gonna buy that. if you
Buy
didn't
high,
know.
sell low. That's what I do.
One time I got more money than that one time.
Really?
Both of
Here, you
them
want that
got
one?
0.
Sit over there and zip it up, Zippy.
Oh, you can't tell me to zip it.
Billy, he got you on camera. Quit talking over.
No, he don't.
Yes, he does too.
Say hi, Billy.
He's filming right now, son. Somebody ain't gonna know you joking.
Good luck, man. Pretty nice patch. Just go. Who's that? Winston? Yeah, Winston in 99 Colossal. Come on.
7 of 10.
7 of 10 Bosa Henry duel.
If we get lucky, right, to have all
Oh,
of
don't
these.
put Giovanni in there. What are they doing, man? They're killing me. Nate Dog.
Understand.
Are those lucky?
Urban too. Come on.
Are those lucky?
Billy.
Those lucky.
Be quiet.
Sterling Shepard's pretty decent.
That's not what you want to hit into.
Are y'all ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, give me like 2 seconds. That could be a redemption for Dak or something.
I just could change it all right here.
Yeah,
couldn't
let's
it,
just
baby?
get it going.
Let's see who we got. National Playoff. Rookie dual signatures gold. Number 8.
Dak and Zeke! He said it could change it. Boom. Wow. Rookie signatures gold. Was that the last card? Or is there, okay, Driscoll.
Driscoll.
Hey, we'll be back in a little bit, guys. I got to ring out a couple customers.